I had some coffee, so we're gonna work on the project. I have the project right here. Where do I go? Here? And over here. You're live. Manage the stream. Okay, so I wanted to make one change to the shader class, really. In this particular instance, one class that I'm using, the geometry farming class, inherits the shader class, which uses the vertex shader, geometry shader, and the fragment shader. That's the three shaders, okay? So what we want to do is be able to send a public load shaders. Yeah, that's all we do. To this particular function, let's just go. We'll just call it 2 or 3. So then when we're doing it here, we're gonna load 3. Where's the, okay, I don't know why that's showing that, but it's fine. So we can go ahead and create the string for the geometry code and the if string for the geometry file. We can go ahead and create those variables whether we're doing 2 or 3. So this one, geometry file exceptions, we only want to do that if 2 or 3 equals 3. So will that work? First we'll do this with 3 and then, yeah, same right here. Convert stream into string, okay. So to do this one, we can create the function, and then if 2 equals 3, we're gonna go G shader code equals, like that. Oh, that was cool. Okay, so that'll work. Okay, what? This one, yeah, we're sending it 3. How come it's not not catching on to that. Excuse me, let's just compile it. Computer, figure it out. Oh, it works. Okay. See, it gets stuck with these. Oh, it drives me nuts. We're gonna restart the Visual Studio. So that's cool. Light explodes. Sky ignites. Colors show. Okay. So that works for that. So now what we want to do is, now we can use it here. That was the whole point just now, so let's comment that out. So we're just gonna load the supernova. We're just gonna load the vertex shader and the fragment shader for this one. Of course, they don't exist yet, so we want to pull it out of this, and that's it right there. So that's pretty much it. Ooh, do, 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 do. Can you take that off the screen? That is annoying. Trying to see what I'm doing. Oh my god, it's so relentless. Don't stop. Oh, delete. Okay, now, very top. That's weird. Okay. Oh my god. Killing me. Slowly. Oh, so now I can go Control H, Control A. There we go. There you go. Keyboard shortcuts. That's Alt A, by the way. Alt A, by the way. Okay, now we take the quote out. Down here, do we need the semicolon? I think so. Supernova. Light explodes. Okay, so now we're gonna rename this Geometry Farming Frame Buffer. Okay. Alright. Geometry Farming Frame Buffer 1, yes. So let's just go save as, copy that out. Because you think I'm going to remember that in just 2 seconds? No. Peter, why are you doing that? Why? There. Oh my god, what did you just do? What just happened? Why? I hit a quote, that's it. Damn. So brutal. So we're just going to take that other fragment, that other shader for the fragment shader. Okay, that's what I meant. That's what I meant. Excuse me. Okay, so alright, there's that. That's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Oh, okay. Control H, Alt A. There you go. There you go. Always show this message. Okay, whatever. Oh, we don't need this. Okay. tomato. Son of a bean dip and flapjacks. Why do these things always happen to me? Why? Okay, so that one should load. And then the frame buffer one. No, not that. Not that. Right there, okay. So we don't need this do shader thing. Okay, so I think init data, init do shader, we don't need this. Depth test? Oh, I guess we don't use that. Okay. Uncomment this to draw in wireframe polygons? How dare you? How dare you? Alright, that's fine. That's fine. So the other thing, we need to look at the draw function. Frame buffer, no, where's the, render to the texture? Right here. We're just gonna call use. So what is that? A float? Oh shoot. What's the function? Set 1F? Set below set float. Okay. String name, inverted. Constant value, 1. There. I think that'll do it. Yeah. Does that work? Computer, you better go back. Oh my gosh. There's a mistake. What the hell? Float footer did not take 3 arguments? What? Oh. Oh, here. No geometry on that one. Okay, it's fine, bro. Wait, what? Okay, that happened last time when it didn't. There, it creates the integer, but we don't use it, so it's there. Create shader, that's fine. Create program, attach shader. Okay, I'm not sure why. Vertex path, geometry path, fragment path, okay. Shoot.
Drops out, I hear your voice saying stay in the moment, make the next right choice. So I breathe in deep, let the colors climb from a single line to 1,000 skies. One step at a time, I'm building this world.
Same thing, it's just this weird error. It's the same thing to me earlier, but it's just this line right here. So bizarre, bro. Init videos, okay, clean up custom init frame text stuff, okay. Wait, maybe if I move them to cleanup, hold on. They're not in cleanup. But what if it's supposed to be? Hold on. Dun 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 dun. That's what happened last time. Hold on, we're gonna move them to cleanup. I don't like doing this, but whatever. OpenGL, okay, here and there. And just cut, okay. Okay. And it's a compile thing, I don't get it. Dun 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 dun. Bum 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 da 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 da. Dun 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 dun. We don't need shader programs. Frame text stuff, active texture. Bum 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 Oh, it's frame buffer, hold on. Okay, let's just go like this. Build, rebuild. I have no idea what the issue is. Huh, so run it. Okay. You just needed to rebuild. Okay, that was weird. Why does it give me such stress? Why does it do that to me? I blame Microsoft. You know, they keep updating it and it just has all kinds of problems. Constantly. It's insane. It's insane. To be honest with you, it's insane. Okay, so earlier I did this one. That was good, and then this one earlier, and then just now I did this one. That's pretty good for an hour and 20 minutes. I'm gonna give myself a pat on the back, and redoing this function, pretty cool. Okay, since I've already done this function, here, I redid it. We're gonna get AI's thinking on the matter here. See, where's my browser? Where is the browser? Okay. Wait, I added a parameter. structure to this function to allow for.
His hands are worn like the keys he pressed. A wizard of syntax, a coder obsessed. In the glow of a screen where the night confessed.
What do you think of this function? What's a more efficient way to do this? Or a better way? The short entry function works, but it's doing way more branching and duplication than necessary. You can make it cleaner, safer, and more scalable without losing clarity. Below is the improved reasoning that a better design. Concise takeaway, the most efficient improvement is to remove the 2 or 3 flag entirely, and instead compile shaders only if their path is non-null. Oh, that's cool. This eliminates branching, reduces duplication, and scales to any number of shader stages. Oh. What's happening in your current design? Your function works, but it has a few structural issues. 2 or 3 is a magic number. Unclear, brittle, doesn't scale to tessellation or compute. Okay, you're right. Repeated code for file loading, shader creation, shader deletion. Geometry shader logic is hardwired instead of being optional based on input. You can't easily extend this to tessellation control of badgers and compute shaders. You're basically forcing the caller to tell the function how many shaders they intend to load, even though the function can infer that from the parameters. A cleaner, more scalable pattern. Instead of 2 or 3, use this rule. If the path is not null, load and compile that shader. This eliminates branching and makes the function future-proof. A better version, clean, scalable, no magic numbers. Key improvements, 2 to 3, 1 unified load file helper, 1 unified compile shader helper. Automatically handles any combination of shader stages, easily extendable to tessellation or compute. Okay. Let's go look at this. Yeah. Auto load file equals const path string if path. Wait. Is this a function inside of a function? Bro. Check compilers. Oh, look at this. Load sources. Compile only what exists. Oh, that looks so clean. No magic number scales the text less branch makes it more robust. Want an even cleaner design? I can show you a version that uses a vector. A loop to compile all shaders, 0 repeated code. An even cleaner design. Okay, hold up. Okay, hold on.
Noise turns dark to bright. Shapes come in
Let's build the cleanest, most scalable shader loader architecture you've ever used. And yes, tessellation shaders are a pair and must be treated as all or nothing. If either is missing, we skip both. That's the correct interpretation of the OpenGL pipeline. Below is the design you asked for. Handles all 5 shader stages. Treats tessellation as a single logical stage. Compiles only what exists. Zero branching clutter. Fully scalable. Easy to extend. Clean modern C++. The cleanest, most scalable shader loader design. Core idea. We build a vector of shader stages, each containing GLenum file path. The flag for whether the stage is optional or paired. Okay, then we loop through the vector and compile everything that is valid. Final version, clean, unified, extensible. Alright. Dreams by the light of thunder. If path return if on stage, enum type path bool enabled. Bool test enabled equals test control path and test eval path. By the light of thunder, vector, std vector stage, stages equals, vertex shader. Light of thunder, vertex traffic, not equal to multiplier, test enable, test enable. Oh, cool. Cool, that is really cool. Load and compile auto stages, auto S stages. If not S enabled, continue. Okay, string code equals load file path, code empty continue, source code. Okay, create shader type. Oh. That's cool. Shader source, SID source. Okay, compile shader type value, shader link program. Create program stages, attach shader. Oh, Swift. Clean. Okay, perfect. That is the best version. No, if 2 or 3 equals 3 nonsense. I love it. Okay, I just came up with that on, whatever. Tessellation handled correctly of both these independent compilables, but exactly what we do is scale well, compute shaders just to add this. Okay. Let's try it. This is load shaders, but this is already something that I've changed a little bit. Yeah, and we want to put in the compute shader. Oh, I see. No, I don't want to do that. Let's do it like that. Vector, stage. Stage is right here. Do we need a vector? Is that it? We don't know vector. Okay. So now when we're in here, This is cool. Wish I didn't have to work for a living. I would stay at home and play with this all AI and programming all the time. But anyways, oh, no pointer comma. Okay. That's fine. So let's see. Vertex shader. Oh, wait. Tessellation, and geometry. Okay. So vertex, tessellation, geometry, fragment. Okay. Let's make sure it works. Yeah, that's awesome.
What if you closed the window, left me mid-compile? Would I freeze as scattered sparks or fall into your drive? So stay here, keep recasting, let this whole scene converge.
So what was the other one too? Because that other one was pretty good too, this one. Oh wait, no, this one. That's really cool. Okay, what is it, 6? Alright, I'm gonna chill for a little bit. I'll be right back.
You hit
I'll be right back. The siren screams so loud among the dust where no hearts are allowed. Trade my soul for a glimpse of gold, but it's hope I'm chasing.
A dream to hold. Ba-bum, ba-ba-bum. Chase, as they whisper secrets I can't hear. The minds of promise that it feels so near. Adrift through shadows of the world unknown, but a void I wander. A journey to bound, I'm chasing starlight across the endless sea, searching for a reason, a place to just be free. Through cosmic echoes, hope's the only cargo, it's all that carries me.
like memories in my wake, each one a story, another heartache. Yet I keep flying, though the dark won't break. A lonely traitor with so much at stake. And if I fall, will the stars remember me? Or will I fade into their vast eternity? I scream my name, but it's swallowed by the night. Still, I push forward, still chasing the light. I'm chasing starlight across the endless sea, searching for a reason, a place to just be free. Through cosmic echoes, I hear a fragile plea. Hope's the only cargo, it's all that carries me. Coffee ring on the sketchbook, half the world's on every page. Names of apps in the margins, all these dreams crowding the same small space. Notifications keep flashing, every ping says this could change your life. Saving screenshots like secrets, but every doorway splits into five. I've been chasing every echo till I can't hear my own sound. But there's a line in the noise now, I feel it drilling down. Laser focus, cutting through the night. One bright line in a blur of light, baby. Falling out of sight while I build this one thing right. Laser focus, burning through the doubt. Turn the chaos inside every quiet, steady, simple route, leading to a breakthrough, breaking out. Walk for single roadmap, ever tangled like a maze. Every word is like a magnet, pulling pieces of my heart away. Tonight I mute the whole world, post-it filed in a single stack. One small brick on another, I'm not turning, I'm not looking back. I've been running in a circle, spinning promise into smoke. Now I'm carving out a tunnel through the mountain I once spoke. Laser focus, cutting through the night. One bright line in a blur of light, baby. Falling out of sight while I build this one thing right. Laser focus, burning through the doubt. Turn the chaos inside every quiet, steady, simple route, leading to a breakthrough, breaking out. All that scattered passion, place. Every unfinished chapter feeding into this one page. If I just keep coding past the fear and thrill, every tiny change becomes a towering bell. Yeah, laser focus, cutting through the night. One bright night, in a blur of light, maybe falling out of sight while I build this one thing right. Laser focus, burning through the dark, turn the chaos inside every quiet, steady, simple route, leading to a breakthrough, breaking out. Coffee cold on the desk now, sunrise drawn across the glass. One clear path in the backlog, and just future humming in the tap. I opened up the old code, saw the cracks in the frame, polished lines on my screen, and the code out your name. Every bug was a door, every crash had a clue. I was lost in the numbers till I built it back with you. Tell me where to begin, I can feel it turn. One more pass through the dark, one more lesson learned. Build it higher, build it higher. We can make it shine. New light, new fire, one clean line at a time. Build it higher. I can feel it turn. One more pass through the dark, one more lesson learned. Build it higher, build it higher. We can make it shine. New light, new fire, one clean line at a time. Build it higher, build it higher. Watch the whole world rise. We learn, we call, we strive. And we light up the sky. In the glow of the monitor, I saw what we could be. Broken pieces becoming something beautiful.